The United Nations celebrated in 2025, 100 years after the initial development of quantum mechanics, as the International Year of Quantum Science and Technology. This initiative, in the age of explosive and disruptive adoption of AI, made me think it would also be the right time for the hospitality industry to reflect on, learn from, and celebrate the theoretical and practical basis of revenue management, or what many call today, revenue optimization.
What's the connection?
Yield management, quantum science with AI are all disruptors. All share a commonality. They align on how they think about reality, uncertainty, and decision-making. You don't wait for certainty, you optimize under uncertainty. All embrace uncertainty and use probabilistic models to optimize outcomes. Quantum science with AI, machine learning, revolutionized physics by revealing a probabilistic reality that is continuously updated, while yield management transformed pricing and inventory management with dynamic demand-driven strategies. All rely on interconnected systems and advanced technologies, driving innovation and reshaping industries through precision and efficiency. Although these fields appear unrelated, they represent a scientific approach to navigating uncertainty, optimizing outcomes, and redefining the boundaries of their respective domains. With this video, the objective is to contextualize the theoretical roots of RM, identify catalysts for change, understand the conceptual evolution as a discipline, from putting heads in beds to its strategic application, and anticipate future trends.
Why is that important and relevant to me?
Understanding the roots of revenue management explains why the discipline emerged, how it evolved, and where it is headed. Knowing where revenue management comes from helps students understand why it works, how it evolved, and how to apply it. It reveals the catalysts that moved industries beyond simply filling seats or rooms towards strategic demand optimization. Most importantly, it provides the foundation for anticipating future AI-driven revenue management practices. In this video, we will chronologically cover from the 18th century intellectual foundations in times of empirical, decentralized, market-driven pricing to the rise of scientific forecasting, the application catalyst of the 1978 airline deregulation, the pioneers in the hospitality adoption in the 1980s, the diversification into non-traditional sectors in the 1990s from the hospitality industry to financial services, energy, manufacturing, and others, the digital revolution and traveler empowerment of the 2000s to the age of the AI and big data